Hey guys, and welcome back to the second video of the F-150 King Ranch build. So today I'm going to be putting on this tonneau cover. We have all the hardware here, right here in this bag, and we just have these rails here. I bought this off of Facebook for $250. It's like the hard 3-foot one. Pretty good deal actually, really good deal considering these things go for like $1,000 essentially. And so today I'm just going to be cleaning this off and then putting it on. So as you can see, like, it's just really dirty, like all around. Like, it's supposed to be black, and right now they're beige. So I'm going to go ahead and start, and I'm going to spray these down, give them a wipe, and then I'll start installing it. Okay, so after about 5-10 minutes and a million rags and whatever and whatnot, we finally have these all cleaned up. So they're looking pretty nice. I mean, they're a little roughed up. I mean, it's a used cover, so the rails are all looking good to go. The only last portion that I need to do is these tubes that collect and redirect your water. I just have to clean these off. I'm just gonna clean the insides of them because I have them off now. I might as well. I'm just gonna go run them through a tap, spray some cleaner through them, and then from there I'm gonna start installing the side pieces. So for this portion, I'm just gonna keep it really easy. I'm gonna be putting some soap through here. I'm gonna turn the tap on and just kind of run it to the second sink. Alright, so now that I have rinsed them out, I just filled them up with some Lysol cleaner. The two of them, I'm gonna let them soak for a bit, and then I'm going to finish off installing them. Alright, they're all clean. I mean, they're a little stained, but they're pretty clean through and through. Alright, now that I have all of those side pieces cleaned, I have to clean this now. I'm gonna clean the inside, not the outside, because the outside, I mean, I could just do it like a car wash or something, but this portion here, I want to keep clean, just because I'm gonna have stuff in the back, and I'm gonna be installing it. I might as well clean it now while I have it all out, and then that way, it shouldn't really get dirty from being back there. So I'm just gonna give this a quick clean, kind of the same deal that I did with the other side pieces, and then yeah, we'll move on to putting on the rails. Alright, so the next portion of this is I am going to be taking these clamps and going like this right underneath here, kind of like at this point right here, and connecting the two. I have 3 per side, so I'm going to go up and down on each side here. But yeah, this is kind of how it looks like here. Just kind of sits in here, fits in perfect. And then yeah, just got a 14mm wrench, and then I'm going to hit it. Alright, so I just got all 3 put on, one there, one there, one there. Flip it around, we got one there, and one there. And this is the fitment, so all the way back here on both sides, all the way, and then perfect fit, come nice and flush, and now we have these 2 bolts here that we're gonna connect right to the tonneau cover that goes right here, and then it's gonna clip in here, here, and at the end. So, time to put the top on. Alright, so now we have the cover on, and we have our bolts here. So I just realized this is actually the wrong one. You need this guy to go through the top of the tonneau cover at the back there. And it's going to screw through here. So go one of these for now. I'm trying to find a new one of these. I don't know, this isn't that big of a deal. But yeah, so that's where we are right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll be done. I'll put it down and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so it's a little bit hard to see, but basically we have this metal clamp here that's attached to this. We wanna make sure that that bolt goes right through the hole there, and it does on this side, and then it does again over on this side. So now I'm gonna take a washer on this side and this guy here, and I'm gonna screw it on. All right, so now we have that guy on and that one on, and now we have our cover on. Close it up real nice. Now, this is actually my first time testing this out, so let's see how it closes. Pretty good. Closes okay. This side's always been a little finicky, but I just have to give it a little bit of a tougher push. But yeah, we're all good there. And there we go. We've got a tonneau cover installed. Everything's closed. Looks pretty good. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe, and keep following for more. Thanks.